Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Douglas Road Elementary School in Lambertville, Michigan, home of the Kicking Mules and part of the Bedford Public School District. This is my visit here in May. I was here a couple months back talking about bullying, looking at someone's heart first, the same way that you see your best friend, for their heart before anything else. But today we took it up a level. We talked about what you just saw on the screen at the start of this video, and that was diversity, and the sub-theme being need human kindness, right? The same image that I wear that's on this shirt of mine for this particular program. My friend and I came up with this design a few years back, and you see that there's a peace sign inside the heart where peace has to begin, obviously, but also to people, because kindness isn't just about showing it to yourself. We have to show it to others, right? We have to extend that kindness, but also that love, that compassion, that acceptance, that inclusion. And we're talking about love, it's that unconditional love, right? Love without any conditions. That if somebody's taller than us, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color, disabled or not, wears glasses or not, has any type of difference at all, and we still need to be able to respect them and appreciate that diversity, both on the outside and on the inside. And, you know, it's such a timely topic in today's world because, you know, kindness is definitely lacking. A lot of places you turn, you don't always see that. So this need for human kindness on this earth, and just, you know, knowing that one act of kindness can change so many things, you know, not just a school community, but eventually a city, maybe a state, the entire world. That's where it starts, you know, just little acts that start to add up and pile up and really start to make a difference, right? But we also have to remember to see people for this as well, right? All of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. At Trace 1 here, I talk about this in all my assemblies, but that M stands for miracle. Upside down for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we have to really buy into this, right? We have to understand this concept truly and know that what we're doing is not only believing our self-worth, but then helping others and being the light to their heart, right? Because a lot of students come up to me, adults in general, say, you know, I don't think I'm beautiful. I don't like the reflection when I look in the mirror. They really take to heart other people's opinions about them, and sometimes it's things they can't control. It's how they're born. You know, if they're too tall or, you know, have something wrong with their eyesight or their hearing or whatever it might be, you know, your true friends, your best friends will always see you for this, right? To really focus on that and to know that the kindness that we do share or choose to share, it's so important because it might not just be affecting that person that you show it to. It could be anybody else that's in eyesight or earshot of that action, right, or that word, that it could maybe change their heart in a positive way, possibly forever, right? So know that we have that power to uplift or to bring down. I think that's what we really try to focus on, you know, to really see people for that heart first, but build on this, kind of like the part two, the diversity and the need for human kindness. So thanks for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Keep remembering that. A little bit hot today, but that's okay because, you know, we're just on fire for that kindness, for that love, of course. Thanks again. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.